Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. It is August, and that means we have to review what happened in my shop in July, because that was the month before August. Whatever. I'm really good at this YouTube thing. I am. Alright, so July. What did we started with making the painting panels, the cheap alternative, inexpensive alternative to buying big canvases at the art store with 1x2s and door skin mahogany ply to make your own things to paint on instead of paying hundreds of dollars for the ones in the art store. Then what happened? Then I drilled holes in my bench for my new Gramercy Holdfasts that I got from Lee Valley. It's not working well, but that's because I did it badly. Check that video out if you want to see those. Just went up the end of the month. You're supposed to do 1/4-inch holes, and I did 1/4-inch holes with the first ones that I did on the video. They didn't really like grabbing very well, so I counterbored from the bottom and they grabbed better. And then I decided that I would do the line across the edge of the bench, and I grabbed the wrong Forstner bit out of the set, and so I've got a bunch of 7/8 inch holes along my along my bench now, and they're supposed to be 1/4-inch holes. So when I realized it before I went all the way through, so I did my 1/4-inch from the bottom, and they grab okay in those. But the top of the holes are 7/8 of an inch, so any of the like auxiliary stuff that is made for 1/4-inch holes is not going to work in those holes, so I'm going to have to do something about those eventually. That's awesome. Anyway, that's a thing that I did. I found on Craigslist a Bad Axe Toolworks 16-inch tenon saw for not enough money. So I bought it. Not a huge hand tool user, but these are the best hand saws in the world, apparently. And when you see one on Craigslist for, let's say, 25%-ish of what it costs new, and it's only been used 4 times in its life, you buy it. So I'm looking forward to using that on something. I don't know. It's going to look awesome on the wall, at the very least. I also got my first sharpening stone, my first DMT sharpening stone. I went with the fine stone to start with. I can't buy them all at once because they're $130 a pop or something. No, 90 bucks a pop. But one of the ones I want is $130. I'm not sure what's so special about that one. I think it's the extra fine that might be more. Whatever. I'm going to do coarse, fine, extra fine, so I went with the middle one to start. Then we wait for the truck to go. Go truck. Go. Or you just sit there. Okay. That's not weird at all. Then I made my friend a golf club, antique nostalgic golf club shadow box display unit, I think is what I'm calling it. That video will be going up in the next couple of weeks. I sent that off yesterday or the day before to go to see him. He's got a couple of old nostalgic golf clubs that were his grandpa's or something, maybe. So I was like, you should hang those on the wall, dude. Those are awesome. And then I thought, even better, I should make you something to put those in to hang on the wall. So I did that, and it turned out pretty good. That's it, I think, for July. Right? August, this month. I have to do some, I've got a list of things that I am upcoming. I have to do some equipment maintenance. I gotta clean my bandsaw tires, and I gotta tighten some bolts on the table saw, and just kind of generally overall tweak some things. I just have my jointer blades sharpened. Just general upkeep type stuff has to happen this month. I'm gonna try to refurbish a hand plane I think. I've got a couple of old, like, decent shape hand planes that just need a little bit of love, so I'm gonna take one of those apart and see if I can't pretty it up and get it back into working shape, like good working shape, not just like adequately working shape. I have to make a commission cutting board and a commission charcuterie board, but I'm not going to film those because I filmed that. I'm going to help a different friend of mine make a pedal board for his guitar pedals, to go on the floor in front of him and have all of his little effects pedals sitting down there. That's going to be an upcoming project. I haven't started that, so I don't even know what it's going to be made of or what it's going to look like. And then I think I am going to make a sofa table probably not or at all, or sofa table or coffee table for the downstairs den. Needs another surface, and I have wood, so I'm going to make a surface out of wood. I just haven't decided if it's a behind the sofa or an in front of the sofa. But that's too big a list for August. I'm not going to do all of that probably in August. But that's what I've got coming up on the docket, as it were. So, that's good. July in review. Thanks for watching. Welcome to August. I hope you're enjoying your summer so far. We've been having quite the liquid summer so far. It's hasn't been super summery here on the west coast of Canada, but we'll get it in August, I think. We got it in like the beginning of June. We got like a really hot run for like a week and a half or two, but then it kind of got gray and overcast and drizzly for a while. But kept the fire ban away, which is good because you can have fires in your yard and on the beach and stuff. Anyway, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Welcome to August. All right. August. It's my birthday in August. My birthday is August 17th. I'll send you a list of things that I'd like if you're interested in buying me something.